Welcome to Neelam Co. This is Neelam. I am back again with another recipe for cauliflower. It's called cauliflower stuffed parantha or GOBHI parantha. So let's see how to make it. The first ingredient is cauliflower, and I'm going to use this much cauliflower for 2 paranthas. The second ingredient will be onion, and I am going to use half of small onion and little bit of ginger, half inch, and half medium green pepper and a little bit of cilantro, and this is good for 2 paranthas. The next ingredient is whole wheat flour. I have already kneaded it, so if you want to learn how to knead the flour, you can look at my previous video. And finally, salt and pepper according to your taste. To make the gobi paratha, I will grate the gobi or the cauliflower. So here is the grated cauliflower. The next step is to chop the vegetables, but here I have already chopped them and I am going to mix in the cauliflower. And now I am going to mix all the vegetables in the cauliflower. Next we mix pepper, red pepper and salt, and then mix it really well. After mixing, the mixture is ready to be stuffed in the parantha. To make the parantha, we will need rolling pin and a rolling board. It's also called chakla and belan. So now I make parantha by dipping my finger in the dry flour and making a small ball of the kneaded dough, and here it is. Next I take a pinch of dry flour and sprinkle it on the chakla and going to roll it with the help of rolling pin. The dough is flat now, and I am going to add a little bit of olive oil to make it tastier. Next we take the stuffing and going to add in the flattened dough. That's enough, and now I am going to close it like this. So this is a ball again, and stuffing is inside. I am going to flatten it again by dipping it into the dry flour and using my both hands flattening it more. And now I am using rolling pin. And also don't worry if it looks like this, because this is because of the salt in the mixture, and salt makes it wet. So now we are ready to cook it. To cook the paratha, either you can use tawa or you can use non-stick pan. First we make sure that the non-stick pan is really hot, so I'm checking it, still it's not. Again you put a dab of oil and then wipe with the paper towel just to make it little greasier. The non-stick pan is really hot now, so I'm going to put the paratha in the non-stick pan and wait a couple of minutes until it's cooked from underneath. So now the paratha is ready to be flipped, and again we will wait a couple of minutes to make sure it's cooked on the other side. The paratha is ready to be flipped over again so that we can cook on this side too. See, it's ready. It's turned golden brown. So we will make sure that it's golden brown on the other side too. The paratha is ready. Yes, now I will transfer it on the plate. Finally, the paratha is ready to be served, and I'm going to dab a little bit of oil on the top. You can use any other oil, either coconut oil or desi ghee or mustard oil. Before we move forward, I just want to clarify that this is raw cauliflower. I have not boiled it or cooked it. I only washed it and wipe it with paper towel so all the water is drained out. The parathas are ready to eat now. I have used olive oil on this paratha and I have used coconut oil on this one. We serve it with Greek yogurt, and this is a great option for either breakfast or you can eat it as brunch. So today we made gobi paratha. I hope you like it. See you next time with my another video. Thank you for watching.